So friends, here, this is the data here. We need to give the product description. And here you have to give the these details, general inventory shipping. Okay. How exactly I am showing you here, you have to update the data. Okay. And then what we have to add is, see here, here also we need to give the product short description. Okay. This is somewhat, not our language. Okay. What can I say? Demo language, this one. So at the right side, do remember, we need to add the product here. Go here. Here we need to add the product image. Okay. Okay. So if you do not add the product image, though if you give the description over here, and if you add the ad media from here, the product image will not show up on your dashboard. So for that one, so what you have to do is go to the product image here, and then you can add the product image. Okay, you can add the product image here. Product image section. This is the product image section. Here you will be, whenever you select the product here, instead of this product, if you have another product, you can select that product will show up there. Okay, that product will show up there. And then you have to give the name of that product here. Okay, here title, what is the title? Red chilies. And here the URL is, the URL will show up here. Okay, and then set product image. So the product image is already set here. So the same thing here appear. And next, product category. So this product belongs to the grocery. So that's why the grocery category has been selected here. By default, it will be selected uncategorized in your website. So go and check this one as grocery. So if you do not find the product under your categories, then you can add a new category. Okay, you can add a new category. So what kind of category it belongs to, you can give the name of that category. Okay, and you can also give the parent category as well, groceries or other category. If it is becoming, comes under any one of the other category, then you can also give the other category, parent category as well. Okay. So this is all about the things. Next one here, you can also add the product tags. That means if you have different kinds of products under grocery, you will be having different kinds of products. So you can add the product tags as well. Okay. And here under the Asra themes and settings, container layout. So customer sizing, normal, full width. So here customer setting, customizer setting is given here. Okay. And container style is customizer setting only. All these are the customizer setting. So sidebar layout, sidebar style, all these are the selected as a customizer setting only. That's why they are, whatever the dashboard you are seeing here, all these are looking up here under the customizer settings only. Okay. And next, coming to here, so by giving all of these details, you have to update, and then whatever the product will be showing up there. Now I will show you how to add a single product here. So go to edit product, under the products, add a new product. So select the add a new product. I am giving the category of the product as what here, product name. So product name is name plate, for example, nameplate, home nameplate. Okay, home nameplate. I'm giving the product. So product, so we can give the name, some of the product description. Home nameplate, same thing. I'm also giving the price here. The regular price I'm keeping as 2000 rupees, but my selling price is only 1000 rupees. So I will give the name, general settings. I will select this one. So, and this simple product category, I will select this one. Inventory. So we are not, in stock only, or I can, quantity I can show up here. 100 are there. So allow but notify the customer, and then I can select this one, sold individually, limit purchase to one item per order. No. So I can select this. So minus one or no. At least you have to buy this much, like that. Okay. Or we can select that after these many of orders, the orders should not, the log stock, low stock threshold. So low stock, for example, if the order is, how many orders you must have to order, at least one order or at least two order, like that we can set up here, okay, like that, or otherwise we can remove the order. uh, we can, if we are allowing only one also, we can select one, okay. Next one, coming to the product short description, again I am giving, uh, I this is my first first home name plate, like that you can add. And then now coming to the right side, friends, now we have to give the product gallery. Go to the product gallery. Product gallery means, for example, whenever we are going to purchase one product, under the gallery we will show two three products. uh, Under these two three products we will show the customer top view, front view, right view, back view, like that, side view, like that. So like that, if you have any kind of product, what can I say, the gallery, if we have some of the products, other products, for example, I am selecting these products, these three products, I am giving the product gallery. And now under this product, I am selecting this product as here. This is the only product. Now I have selected. So under this, what is this category? Here, am I getting the category here? No. So I will add the category as nameplate. Okay, Islamic nameplate, like that. So product tag also I can select. If it is falling under any tags, I can select the tag. So all these things as it is, I am keeping up here. And then if I would like to disable the footer, disable the primary header, all these things, I can do that. But these are not necessary for us now, as of now. And I give the all these details and I will publish the product. And if I would like to give the no, see here, name, post name, URL, slug name, if I would like to select here, if I would like to give the URL, select the, edit the URL, home nameplate, is it? So this is the URL. Do you want to see the now product? How does it looks? So open in a new tab. There you will see how the home nameplate. Now we have published here. Okay. See here, you will see the product here. Have you seen the product now getting started showing? And this is the product here. The zoom is also coming here, right? So like in Amazon also we are getting these products. See, so if you have to see the product which is not looking up here completely, so we can move the cursor and we can see in detail, right? Wherever we keep the cursor, all the details will show up in detail, like that. So zoom option is also coming up here. So home nameplate here, 2000 is the regular price and this is the selling price. Yes. Next, similarly, we are having here under this gallery, I have kept these two figures, right? This is the present, this is under this category, three more figures I have selected. So under the description, I have given the small description, home nameplate. So if somebody who is already purchased, if he gives a review, whenever I share the review here, I mean the URL of the review, and I collect the review, automatically the reviews number will be get updated, and the person who has already purchased, he can also give the review and submit the review. Okay, for example, see here, good product, 5-star rating, submit. So it will be updated as one review. And then later on, what we have here is review along with my name admin. It has been published here. So, and if you go to the add to cart, the product will be added to you, added to the cart. So view cart, it will show up here. So has been added to your cart. Now here it is asking to cart. This is called as the cart page. Okay, checkout page also. Checkout page means where you will give the details. Okay, see here, this is the product you have added to your cart. Proceed to checkout, it will ask. So all these things are automatically get selected. You don't need to set to random, manually. All these functionalities will come along with the theme. Okay, these are the things, company name, etc., etc. All these things are already selected here. So email address, everything I can ship to a different address. If I would like to ship to a different address, I can select the address. If in case I am going to order gift my uh, order to someone, I can give the order different address, right? Like that. So here, as of now, it is not order, we are not getting the either Razor Pay or any other payment gateway. That's why it is showing up here. So this is how, friends, we will add a single product. Okay, I hope you got the clarity. In the next class, we will learn about the how to add a group of products. Thank you so much for being connected. Have a nice day.